In this session, we're going to talk about the fact find link. Now, the fact find link gives you the ability to send the fact find to your client so that they can complete the information prior to your first engagement or prior to your first discussion. So how do we create this? Firstly, we click on the fact find button, and here we have a list of clients that I've sent the fact find link to. But if I want to create a new fact find link, I click on that button. I enter the name of the client. I indicate the type of review, if it's a new client review or if it's an existing client review. It defaults to today's date as the date of the meeting, but of course I can change that date. We also have an expiry date, and so this is the date or the last date that the client can enter that information. After this date, the client cannot enter the information or edit the information. So again, you can choose that particular date. And most importantly, you have the ability to create an access code. And the reason you have an access code is that you can provide that information to your client so the client can complete that information knowing it is safe and secure. So to create that link, we just click on the create button. It comes into this box, and on this section here, on this link here, you can copy and paste this link into an email that you send out to your client with some instructions. We have some text in here if you want to use that text, but most importantly we have the access code, which you also need to provide to your client, and you can provide that separately either through a text message on the phone or through WhatsApp or WeChat message. When the client has received that link, they received your email, so the client copies and pastes the link into their browser, or they've clicked on the link from your email. Just to give them a bit more confidence and assurance, it just opens up with the advisor's details so that they can see that it's the advisor that's collecting the information. The client enters their access code, clicks on next, and here the client can start entering some basic information about themselves. And then they can use this orange box to add more people or members of their family. They can go through and indicate the nature of advice, and you'll see all those items are already selected. They can choose and rank their objectives by dragging these across. They can set their scope of service and their priorities. If they've got existing cover, they can enter that information in here. And they can enter some basic financial details as well. Once they've done that, they just need to click on submit, and this shows them that the fact find data has been successfully saved. Once they've done that, you as the advisor will be able to see that that information has come through. Just going to refresh this. And you can see that the client data has been updated, been submitted. I can then click on that client, go through the information on the fact find, make any tweaks or changes as necessary, and carry on to produce my statement of advice. So make sure you check out our next video or have a look through our library of other videos that may be useful to you.